here are 7 mistakes that I made that I do not want you to make on your channel. In case you don't know, I have a main YouTube channel with over 4K subscribers that is still struggling to grow because of these mistakes I'm going to be sharing with you. So this number 1 is, do not join a Facebook or any platform grow account. I repeat, do not join any platform where they tell you follow for follow, subscribe for subscribe, like for like. It does not end well. Okay, I know they mean well, and when you look at it like holistically, it's something that is just a group, support group you can call it. But let me tell you, it is doing more harm than good to your account, and you do not know. Yeah, quote me anywhere. This is coming from somebody that did it. Okay, let me share you a backstory. When I started my other YouTube account, I was so eager to grow. With coming from somebody that had little knowledge about YouTube, I just wanted to grow my account. So I went ahead making research on how to do that. Then I found support group on Facebook, which was my first time. I was like, oh, this looks so good. They will help me reach the 1,000 subscribers and watch time on time. Little did I know that I was in for it. Okay, like they came through really. They were supporting, were subscribing and all that, which is actually wrong. The goal of YouTube when they said get 1K subscriber or 500 subscriber, which is now the new requirement, is for you to be able to gather audience that are interested in the video you are posting. But the group and the Facebook group you are joining, they are not people that are interested in what you are posting. They are just, let me call it, pity party. They're just people that just want to cheer you up. They're not really interested. And why do I say that? Yes, they'll go ahead and subscribe to your YouTube, and if they are gracious enough, they will watch maybe 1 or 2 of your videos, and that is it. They are trying to push their accounts, they are trying to push their channels. They don't have time. They'll just do it because they want something in return, not because they're really interested. So the goal of subscribers is to gather people of interest, not pity party. So if you are joining a Facebook group because you want to grow your subscribers, I'm telling you, you are killing your channel little by little, because at the end of the day, if God help you, you'll be able to gather your subscribers. You'll get to the benchmark that YouTube has recommended. But at the end of the day, you see that watch hour, you will not get it. And if God helps you, like out of 100% of the time, maybe just 3% of the people that do this actually gets the watch hour. But if God helps you and you get your watch hour, best believe that your account is going to be stagnant. Your channel is going to be static, because people that are on there, they are not people that are really interested in what you put out there. And when you do that, it will suggest to YouTube that people don't like your content. And the thing about this content creation journey and what YouTube does is they only push out content that they see that people are interested in. They'll first look at your subscribers. Are they watching your videos? If they see that your subscribers are watching your video because they're the first point of contact on your channel, then they'll push it to more people. But look at it, if the people that you call your subscribers are not really watching your videos, or you're having small views and all, then they will not recommend your videos because they don't have time. YouTube is a platform, it's a business platform. So they have customers, so they have people that have paid for adverts and all. So they're not going to invest their time trying to push a channel which their first point of contact, which is their subscribers, are not even watching their content. So you see what I'm saying? Realistically, it looks so good, but let me tell you, you are gradually poisoning your channel. Quote me anywhere, that is it. So please don't join any Facebook group. What I need you to do is, thank God YouTube they've brought down the number of subscribers, total number of subscribers you need to be monetized. Please invest your time in pushing out good content. If you push out good content and videos, then you will find your people, or your people will find you. Okay, just ensure that you are pushing out videos that are educative, entertaining, whatever niche that you have chosen. Ensure that you are pushing out good content, then leave it to YouTube. They will push it to the right people. You don't even need to do a lot. Just invest that time you're using to go look for people that can support you. Use it to invest in pushing out good content, and then leave your channel. It's better for YouTube to help you push your content to people that will watch than for you to go and gather people that are just pity party, that will not help your channel grow, and you now have tons of subscribers. And that was what happened to me. At the end of the day, I had a lot of subscribers, but there was no watch hour. And I was wondering what happened. Is that not funny? That's so funny. I'm a clown, because why am I wondering what happened? I have people that subscribe but are not interested. So at the end of the day, I have not monetized that account. Let me just be sincere with you. That account has not been monetized because I've not been able to reach my watch hour, and it's been a struggle, and I've just been trying to find my feet there. So it's the best advice you can take today. Even if this is the only advice you take in this video, then please take it. Don't join any Facebook groups. It's a no-no for me. Number two, and I think this number two is a branch of number one, please do not beg your family and friends to subscribe to your channel. Okay. Don't crucify me yet. Hear me out. I know there are people that supported you through your journey, your educational journey, everything you've been doing in your life. It's been about telling your family and all. But you see this content creation journey, your targeted audience are not your family members. I don't know what is going to, like, you are going to see this as, oh, what she's saying. I know what I'm saying, because at the end of the day, they will subscribe. They will watch your videos, but then you have a goal, you have a plan. You need to ask yourself, why did I start this YouTube channel? I didn't start it for my family. My family have had enough of me. They don't need to see me on video before they can know who I am. Yes, they can watch just to support, but they are not your targeted audience. So please don't beg them to subscribe. If they want to, let them do it, but they are not the goal. Please, instead of doing that, just try and create a plan around your channel on how to like get subscribers. And like I said earlier, it's working on your contents. Get a niche that's, you know, that YouTube is pushing, a niche that is very, very vast on YouTube, a niche that is versatile, something that you know that, okay, this is like something that I can quickly pick up and I love to do. Okay, but do not put your energy on trying to beg your family and friends to subscribe to your channel. Even if I'm going to give anybody an advice right now, I will say start your channel without them knowing. I know it sounds like harsh or something, but that's just the reality, so that you can focus. You know, when you're like, oh, I'm on this journey, and it's not like I have anybody really supporting me. I need to be able to reach my own people. That is goal. Reach your people. They are out there. There are over millions and billions of people online waiting to meet you. That takes me to number 3. Posting a video immediately after you upload it. Yes, I know the adrenaline will be popping, and then you want to just post your video like that. Please don't do that, because if you post your video immediately, you have not given YouTube a time or a time frame for them to like be able to process your video, maybe to able for the AI. You know, it is AI algorithm that is controlling YouTube. You're not giving AI the opportunity to be able to process your video, the information there. If you can see where you upload your video, you see that there are options to add auto caption, to add automatic plays. All those things are the work of the AI. But imagine if you upload your video, boom, and you just post it like that. Then there is no time. Then you see that your video does not get views. I did that a lot, and I was wondering why I did not get views. And the funny thing is, if you look at most of these videos, they don't pick up immediately. When you post the video, just notice it does not pick up immediately. If it picks up immediately, it's just your subscribers that are watching. You just get like a little amount of views at the initial stage. Then later, maybe 1 to 3 days later, you now start getting views. Then maybe in a month, that's why you see some videos go viral maybe after a month or 2 months. That's because AI needs time to process your video. So instead of just posting immediately, leave it, let it marinate. You know the way you marinate your chicken. Let your video marinate in the studio. Just leave it there. Let's put your caption, put your description, every necessary settings that you need to put it there. And also, so after you put it there, just schedule your video or set it to Premiere. And if you want to know how to upload your video right in a way that you will get views, there is no how, you will get views. If you want to know how to upload your videos in the right way using Premiere Schedule, then I have a video that I already made on that. Ensure that you go and watch it so that you can have your first viral video in 2025. Okay, 5th mistake that I made, I don't want you to make. Come closer. That's why I'm coming closer to you. Please have a niche. This is 2025. Please ensure you have a niche. Do not start a YouTube channel without having a goal or the purpose or what you want to do or how you want to grow your channel, like what you want your audience to hear. Who are you talking to? Please don't start your channel on, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. I did that mistake. I started my channel and I was just posting this. I was jumping from trend to trend. I was just trying to, I'll just see somebody make this video. Oh, I like this video. Let me also make my own. Please don't start that in 2025. Please have a specific thing you want to do so that you can channel all your energy into making that content or working towards growing or in that niche. Please stay in one lane. Stop moving like the wind. You'll be confusing the algorithm, because today you're posting about makeup, tomorrow you're posting about travel. This is a very big mistake. Please stay in one place so that the algorithm can know that, oh, when it comes to music, this channel is the go-to. When it comes to finances, okay, this channel is the go-to, so that they can be able to push your video to the right audience. 5th mistake is do not click on any link sent to your email address. I mean the email address you used to create your YouTube channel. Yes, there are a lot of scammers out there. If you do not know, like a lot of people are like interested in taking this your account. Okay, they want to reap what they did not sow. So please, any link that you like, oh, for example, oh, we are this brand, that brand, we want to work with you, I want to do this, please do not click on any link. Okay, I have been a victim, like almost a victim, and that happened to my Facebook account where somebody sent a mail, oh, we are this brand, we saw you, you are thriving, we want to work with you, we want to pay you this amount, like you want to pay me like $3,000, you know. Although it was a big money, and thank God I didn't fall for them because there was a link. Once you click on that link, your account is gone, your hard work is gone. So when it comes to the email you use to register and open this YouTube, please be very, very wary and very careful of any email or any link that is being sent to you. If you have to like make a research about the person that reached out to you, please just take their name to Google to go and research about them. Okay, but when it comes to the mail and the link they send, please be very, very careful. Except you know the person, except you can genuinely confirm and you've done your due diligence, you can say that okay, these people are not a scam. But let me tell you, a lot of people are out there scammers. They take your account, they take it down, they sell it or do whatever they like with it. So may you not live in vain in this year. So please ensure that you are very, very wary and careful of any link that is sent to your email address, especially the email you use to open this account. Be very, very careful with it. Don't just share it to anybody or put it anywhere. Anybody can just take it and just send you a mail randomly. Please be very, protect your email address, because that is the essence of this channel. If your account is hacked and your hard work gone, then I don't know how you want to start, because it's real hard work for you to be able to build your channel. So I hope this helps you. The sixth mistake in this video will be, do not do a clickbait thumbnail. This is what I mean. A thumbnail that is exaggerated or that is like purely different from the video. You know, you might have seen a lot of like videos like that they exaggerate their thumbnail, or they just put something that can make people to quickly click on their videos. I know you've encountered that before. You know, you just put something like something that is not related. Actually, YouTube notices. So do not be part of that party or do not be that person that just like carelessly just post a thumbnail for clickbait, and that also includes your title. Don't just exaggerate. Be natural, be genuine. Your people will find you. Okay, I know it's very hard and all, but please do not do clickbait. Clickbait is not worth it. Even if YouTube will not penalize you for it, it's not worth it, because at the end of the day, when you do that, let me just let you see what will happen. Yes, they will click your video, and when they click your video, they'll see that, oh, it's not as deep as you put it in your thumbnail, and it will affect your views, it will affect the engagement on your content, because it will signal to YouTube that okay, people are not just clicking, they are not watching what is happening, something is definitely wrong. Okay, and it might affect the kind of the views and the engagement you get on that video. So don't do clickbait. Clickbait is not worth it. Okay, just try and work on your videos. Just try and do the right things, research. You know, if you know that this niche that you are out of like content ideas, look out to your competitors' page, pick ideas there, make it your own, make it original, and all that good stuff. Make good thumbnails, but don't exaggerate thumbnails. It's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. So that's all I'm going to say. The last but not the least, which is the seventh point in this video, is, and if you watch this video to this point, if you're not click the subscribe button, please do well to click the subscribe button, like, share, and also drop a comment for me. So like I said, as I was saying earlier, the last point, which is very important to me and to every creator out there, is just start. Don't focus on getting props, a good camera, a good background, a good this, a good that before you start your channel. Just that. Instead of that, focus on investing on good quality. It's not about the quantity, it's not about what you have, it's not about being able to say, oh, I have this, I have the best iPhone, I have the lights, I have selfie light. All those things do not matter. Just make sure that your video is clear, like crystal clear, and you are audible enough, people are able to hear you. Then dish out quality content. That is all that matters. Don't major on the minor and minor on the major. Guess what I mean? So focus on dishing out good quality content rather than props. All those ones don't matter. As you grow in the ladder of content creation, yes, you'll be able to like attain that height. You'll be able to like acquire all the equipment you need. But whilst at that, please do not focus on that, because I know when I wanted to start my other channel, I just had my phone, daylights, you know, open my curtain, and then I'm filming. By the back of my mind, I'm like, am I doing enough? Especially when you watch other people's YouTube channel, I'm like, oh, this one has all this one has all that. That's not all that matters. It can kill your morale, and it can just like make you less motivated to create content. Meanwhile, you have like quality content than even the people that have a camera. So don't make that mistake of waiting till you have like all the gadgets you need for this content creation before you go. So that is all for this video. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video like helpful in any way, please do well to leave a comment for me. It really means a lot, and I'll let you know that I'm here for you. Okay, like just calm down. Like I'm going to be releasing more videos that's going to help you grow your channel. So like, subscribe, and share this video. I remain your media assistant until I come your way with more videos. So